Hello, my name is Bruno Rebille. I'm coming from France. I am a founder of a platform called Choose and Work. I think that the year 2026 will be a bit challenging because I think that the current situation worldwide is putting some pressure on various sectors, including the service industry sector, which has grown a lot in the last few years, but is now reaching a point where I think it will slightly correct downward. There's some signs of some pressure which are occurring in major cities where the workspaces are facing increases of rent and also occupancy rates which are not as strong as before. So overall, I think the market is likely to consolidate and not to grow too much. There will be also, I think, some cases of restructuring and some failures of some actors, which I think have maybe invested too much and do not manage to control their costs properly, especially rental costs, which are going upwards. And a lot of companies are not working on the management contracts in France, so they don't share the risk. They are mainly independent players. About 70% of the market is composed of independent structures, and they are not likely to be able to buffer the market downward pressure, and they will probably, unfortunately, have to shut down, not in every major cities, but in some cities where the real estate pressure is a bit high. So I'm a bit skeptical about the growth for 2026. I don't think there will be a dramatic downward movement, but I think the market is becoming more rational. The demand is in a plateau, and the challenge is to find new ways to derive more income by providing, I would say, more differentiative services. And the technology, I think, will become a way as well to be able to onboard more clients and to satisfy some new needs like very short-term day usage rentals, which could be a way to gain some income with higher margins. Because as we all know, when we rent on very short scale, the price is much higher than if you rent on a long term those workspaces. So I think the model will be challenged, and the clients are not, how do you say, willing to pay extra money. So it's a challenging context and environment. So my recommendation is to try to minimize, in a way, expenses, rationalize growth, and combine maybe efforts to be able to meet the challenging environment.